All right, we're starting this video at the end. And I've taken the past number of days to apply the new decking to the jinks. And it was not too difficult to do. I made sure that I countersunk all of the screw holes. I was using number 6 1-inch brass screws that I purchased off Amazon. Good quality and relatively inexpensive. So this is the end of the video, but I'm showing you this at the beginning here. And I wanted to get the decking on before I flip the boat over because there are some issues on the hull that I need to take care of. So I managed to deck this particular boat with one sheet of good one side 1/4-inch plywood. I got it at my local home hardware building center, and it's a pretty good quality. It has some waterproof capabilities to it. It's not 100% exterior, but the adhesives are relatively watertight. Ooh, I just tripped on the tripod there. So anyway, this is where we stand right now. I'm going to flip the boat over, but before I do that, and before I go on to my tutorial on refinishing the hull, I'm going to show you how I came to this point. So let's go back in time.